La Maison Arabe Hotel, Spa, Cooking Workshops. 5 stars, stay in the heart of Marrakech. Located in the Medina of Marrakech, this luxury riad is a 10-minute walk from Jamaâ El Fna Square. It has a heated pool in the garden and a spa with 2 traditional hammams and 5 massage rooms. Each air-conditioned room and suite includes free Wi-Fi, an LCD TV and a seating area with fireplace. The rooms and suite have a private terrace. Some rooms overlook the gardens and others have a spa bath. Location. Follow the link in the description to find out the price of accommodation on the most reliable hotel portal in the world. Restaurant was GT. The hammam was an amazing experience. As well, the cooking school was terrific. Follow the link in the description of this video. You will find the hotel rating, the best price and excellent customer service. Our team did a lot of work to create this video. Press likes and subscribe to our channel.